Don't eat my cord. Look at her. She's like, oh, I know he buried something here. I saw him. No, don't eat my cord. No. Monroe, no. Don't eat my cord. My goodness. Oh my goodness, little one. Here. I'm gonna help you. Come here. I know where you are. You gotta get up here with your tongue. There. There you go. Now they're both on. He says, here, let's play. I can't wait till she gets that. Until she understands that that means let's play tug of war. Oh, he's so handsome. Look at that good looking guy. Oh my goodness, Tonka. Tonka, you're so handsome. You're so handsome. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Who is that? Well, guess who showed up and missed the bus today? Beautiful Alana. You look very pretty. So we are going to go take her to school. Y'all want to take Alana to school? You want to take Alana to school? She says, I'm going to eat your robe, Mom. I'm going to eat it all up. Tonka, you want to take... Oh, Tonka says, yeah, let's go for a ride. Tonka's always up for a ride. Okay, I'm going to get changed. And then we are going to give that little princess over there behind Tonka's waving booty a ride to school. Okay, be right back. Oh, you give Alana some lovin's? And Rose says, I'm going to give her some lovin's because I love Alana. Alana is awesomeness. She's awesome sauce. Oh, she says, Alana, you're pushing the cushion down. I can get my head in here a little better now. I think Tonka hid something in here. Right in her lap. Oh my gosh, she's such a baby. What a good girl. She says, I'm cuddling with my niece. And I love her. Now I'm going to eat my foot. Because it's right here. And I'm a puppy. And I'll chew anything. Even my own foot. Tonka says, oh boy, girls. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, plans have changed. Alana is not feeling good. She just got sick. So, their daddy's been sick for the past 2-3 days. And now Alana's not feeling so good herself, so. Yeah, you shouldn't come out here looking like that. You're supposed to look sick when you're sick. She's like, yeah, no, not on YouTube. On YouTube, you don't look sick. Hi. Oh, hi. Oh, hi. Yeah, I still haven't cleaned this mess up. Because I've been babysitting every day, so I haven't had a chance to do anything. I'm lucky I'm getting to vlog this morning. Oh, look at that big guy. I think I know where Monroe is. Where's Monroe? I wonder. There she is. I knew I'd find her back here. Oh, are you cuddling with Alana? Oh, she said, I'm going to eat this horsey's ear, and I'm going to cuddle with Alana. This is going to be the rest of my... Oh, Alana, your hair. Oh, I think I see why Tonka likes it. Oh, this horse's hair is just something else, though. Oh, my gosh, I got to eat it. Got to eat it all fast.
Why does she do that?
I don't know. What are you doing, silly girl? Because she's a puppy. And she wants to chew on stuff because she's teething. So cute. Oh, there he is. Hey, I got you to myself. Come here. Come here. Come here. Get up here. There you go. Hi, big guy. Hi. That's my big guy. It's funny, I didn't realize how much he's actually settled down until we got a puppy in the house. And then I'm like, gosh, he really has matured a lot and settled down a lot. But he's still got that puppy Tonka in him. Yeah. That's my big guy. Look at those eyes. What are you looking at? Hmm? Come here. Lay down. Come on. Lay down. There you go. Come on. Lay down. Get in, Mom. Slap and lay down. Come on. Okay, here. Lay down. Come on. Get over here. Get over here. Come lay down. Come on. There. Ouch. Ouch. Ouchie walla. Ouchie walla. Come here. Come here. Oh, baby. Oh, my big guy. Oh, yeah. Oh, I like that. I like that a lot, Mom. That's my favorite. And he's off. Hi, big guy. No, you getting up there? Says, yes, I am. He's so handsome. I'm sorry, but when I had the camera on him, she came running into the room and jumped up on the couch. It was hilarious, and I missed it. Oh, yes. My girl says, oh, I'm going to get you, Tonka. She's just sachets right out of the room. So cute. You getting a drink, big girl? Oh, hi, good looking. Hi, good looking. Oh, hey, pretty girl. Hi. Oh, hi, beautiful. Hi, beautiful. So cute. Thanks for hanging out with us this morning. Monroe's going to say, see you later, alligators. And Tonka's going to say, after a while, crocodile. And I'm going to say, be blessed. Be super duper blessed. Later, guys.